Welcome. To help you prepare for the ancient Egypt test, I'm going to go over some of the information for the map for you. So these are different things you're going to have to label, and I'm going to just kind of write these on there. I used letters, as you can see up here, to make it easier for me to write on the PowerPoint. So the Eastern Desert. So let's start off with the most important thing here. So we're going to start off with the Nile River. Okay, let's start off with the Nile River. That's the thing we learn about the most. And this little gray line here, this whole thing, that's the Nile River. Okay, so I'm just going to put an E next to that. But it is that whole part. In fact, I'm just going to label the whole thing, or a bunch of it. So this whole thing here is the Nile River, and it goes up and down, so it's the whole way. Okay. Longest river in the world. Okay, so let's go to the Eastern Desert. So Egypt is divided by the Nile River. So if you do a compass here, so there's north, east, south, west. Okay, so the Eastern Desert is going to be on the east side, as we said, which is over here. And the Western Desert, which is down here, is going to be on the west side. And then we'll just put south on there, okay? So Eastern Desert, I'm going to put an A here for Eastern Desert. Then we go ahead and label the Western Desert as well. The Western Desert is H. I'm going to put it over here. It's on the west side of the Nile. Okay. Then you have Lower and Upper Egypt. So Lower Egypt is this triangular shape up here, okay? So I'm going to put a B here. And it may be confusing because it's on the north side of it's on the north, which is at the top of the map. But remember, Lower Egypt is because it's a lower elevation and it's downstream. Okay. On the other hand, you have Upper Egypt, which Upper Egypt is a higher elevation and it's upstream. So this whole area here is going to be kind of Upper Egypt. So I'm just going to put a G here for Upper Egypt. Okay. So there's Lower Egypt. There's Upper Egypt. We have the Eastern Western Desert. Okay. Now the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. So the Mediterranean Sea is going to be up here. It's what the Nile River flows into. And you can see all this gray area up here is going to be the Mediterranean Sea. And this connects to Southern Europe as well. Okay. Then you have the Red Sea. Okay. And the Red Sea is this area over here, this gray area over here. And that's the Red Sea. And ancient Egypt actually built a canal to connect the Nile River to the Red Sea, which made it very easy to sail away to like India and other places. And they'd travel up and down the Nile on boats and sometimes across the Mediterranean to Europe or to other places in northern Africa or maybe the Middle East. And the Nile Delta is basically what we have labeled as Lower Egypt. So this area here is Lower Egypt, that triangular shape. It is also the Nile Delta because the delta is where it splits off into many different tributaries, and this is the Nile Delta here where it splits into a triangular shape and flows into the Mediterranean Sea. And we already labeled the Nile River, but once again, the Nile River is everything from up here all the way down and flows all the way off the map I provided you. Okay. All right, the other thing you have to know for the map is how to label Egypt in Africa on a world map. So it's not in America, right? It's in Africa. It's not in Asia or Europe or the Middle East or Australia. It is in Africa. Okay, so I'm going to circle Africa, but you're going to be more specific than just circling Africa. It's in northeastern Africa. Okay, and once again, we put a little compass down here to help you out. It's in northeastern Africa, and it's, see, right here is where it would be, where the most northeastern corner of Africa. Here is Egypt. So this is where the Nile River would flow, and it surrounds the Nile. So it's right up here in Africa. All right, so that's all you need to know for the map. If you have any questions, let me know. But hopefully if you do study, the map should be easy for the test. All right, thanks for listening. Email me if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Bye.